Alright, so in this haircut we are going to cut the length a little bit shorter and go through and layer up the haircut to make it a little lighter. Our goal is to have some more volume in the hair. Now, my model wanted to remove some of the length, so that's what we're doing here. You can see I've got a center section down the middle of the back and then two A-line sections on both sides, clipped up on both sides so that I can cut the very first section. This very first section is my guide for the rest of the haircut as far as the length is concerned. This will be the length that I'm going to cut the rest of the sections as I work my way up the head. So now that we've completed cutting the outline, it is now time to cut the long layers that we're going to put into this haircut. So I'm taking a center section in the middle of the back, I'm combing that section straight back, and then this very first section is going to be the guide for the rest of the layering throughout the haircut. You can see I'm combing it straight back, and then bam, right there I'm cutting those long layers in. Now long meaning long relative to the length, right? Obviously, there could be longer layers if the hair was longer. So relative to the length of the haircut, these are long layers. They're definitely not short layers relative to the length of the haircut. So combing that hair straight back, using that previous section as my guide, and then bang, right there, continuing to cut the layers. Now, as you can see, I'm doing the layers on the left side. Once I'm done cutting the layers on the left side, I will continue to do the layering on the right side. Now that I've completed cutting the layers on the left side, it is time to do the layering on the right side. You can see I'm taking a section on the right side. I'm taking that section, combing it back, and incorporating the very first section I cut as my guide. And I'm going to use that very first section that I cut in the layering as my guide for the layers on the right side. Now, once I've cut this first section on the right side, I can use this section I'm currently cutting as my guide for the next section. Again, always using the previous section as your guide so you can stay consistent with your layering. So one of the things that I want to do is lighten the hair at the front of my model's face so she gets more volume at the front of her hair. So as you can see, I'm doing some frame the face layering. Frame the face layering. Sorry, I had a hard time saying that for some reason. Frame the face layering at the front of my model's hair. And I'm basically taking that shortest layer, which is about jaw length, chin length, and then I am blending those layers down to the outline. So we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the volume at the front of my model's face. You can see the volume that the layers in the back created. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.